we'll move to Deepankar, then we'll move to Parag, then Shalom, and then Arun. So,
जी सर फर्स्ट मेरा है।
हाँ आपका फर्स्ट।
ओके सर,
अभी कर दो।
थैंक यू सर।
आपका स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा दीपांकर, आपने शेयर कर दिया स्क्रीन आपका? We can't see your screen actually.
सर
मैंने आपको ये ऑप्शन दे दिया है।
जी सर, मैंने उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है।
नहीं, आपका नहीं दिख रहा, स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा। जस्ट शेयर योर स्क्रीन।
1 सेकंड।
देखिए वहाँ पे शेयर स्क्रीन बोल के, शेयर स्क्रीन बोल के एक नीचे बटन रहता है, उसको आप दबाइए। शेयर स्क्रीन बोल के ग्रीन बटन रहता है।
अच्छा सर, हाँ सर ये लिखा है, हाँ जो शेयर स्क्रीन। जी जी जी
हाँ उसको क्लिक करो।
सर वो किए तो उसमें क्या नाम माइक्रोसॉफ्ट करके आ रहा है, फिर गूगल ड्राइव आ रहा है, बॉक्स आ रहा है। अच्छा सर मिल गया। जी जी
मिल गया ना?
जी 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 जी
रेडी है आपका प्रेजेंटेशन?
जी सर।
नहीं अभी तक नहीं
जी सर। सर अब
हाँ अभी आ रहा है
जो हो गया होगा।
हाँ फिर से गया, नहीं फिर से चला गया, थोड़ी देर तक शेयर हुआ, फिर से चला गया।
फिर कीजिए शेयर कीजिए
जी,
फिर से शेयर कीजिए।
जी जी कर रहे हैं।
हाँ अभी आ गया, अभी आ गया।
ठीक है स्टार्ट कीजिए
सर लेकिन
प्रेजेंटेशन।
जी
जी
सर। जी सर। सर मेरा जो प्रेजेंटेशन है, यहाँ जो प्रेजेंटेशन का टॉपिक है वो है करप्शन इन ब्यूरोक्रेसी। और ये एक इंटरेस्टिंग और इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है आज के जो टाइम पे। जैसा हम लोग को पता है कि क्या नाम ब्यूरोक्रेसी जो है ये हमारे।
दीपांकर, we can't see your presentation.
सर वो प्रेजेंटेशन मैंने सर मतलब क्या नाम की नोट डाउन किया हुआ है।
अच्छा आपने पीपीटी नहीं बनाया है?
जी 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 नहीं सर।
जी ऐसा है कि ये पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है क्या?
जी जी नहीं सर वो पावर पॉइंट।
दीपांकर आप you can tell your points. आप बोलिए।
जी सर, तो मैं कह रहा था कि हाँ सर ब्यूरोक्रेसी जो है ये हमारी क्या नाम व्यवस्थापिका का एक इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट होता है। और क्या नाम व्यवस्थापिका जो होती है ये जो है कानून को क्या नाम बनाती है और जो लागू कराने का काम करती है। और क्या नाम ब्यूरोक्रेसी जो होता है ये हमारे जो सरकार हाँ जिससे चलती है, तो हाँ सर जो सरकार जो चलती है उस सिस्टम का एक इम्पोर्टेंट जो है पार्ट होता है। और इस सिस्टम में हमारे क्या नाम व्यवस्थापिका, कार्यपालिका और जो है न्यायपालिका, ये तीन जो है इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट होते हैं। और जो कार्यपालिका होती है इसी में क्या नाम की ब्यूरोक्रेसी होता है। और क्या नाम ब्यूरोक्रेसी जो होते हैं ये जितने भी क्या नाम है जो कानून या फिर जो है क्या नाम योजनाओं को जो है चालू कराने का काम करते हैं, आई मीन ऑफिसर्स होते हैं। जी सर। हेलो। जी, जी, जी। तो ये ब्यूरोक्रेसी में जो हायर पोस्ट पे जो ऑफिसर्स होते हैं, तो ये लोग अपने कुछ मतलब जो है स्वार्थ की पूर्ति के लिए इलीगल कार्य को करवाते हैं। अपने अपने नीचे जो ऑफिसर्स होते हैं उनसे ये करवाते भी हैं, और ऐसा करने के लिए उनको मजबूर भी करते हैं। और इस तरीके से जो नीचे के क्या नाम ब्यूरोक्रेट्स होते हैं वो जो है चाह कर और ना चाहकर भी इलीगल कार्यों को करने का मतलब अंजाम देते हैं। और एक बात होती है कि करप्शन को बढ़ाने में आम जो पब्लिक होती है, इनका भी रोल होता है। कि जैसे कोई कार्यालय में हमारा कोई काम है, तो हम जब जाते हैं वहाँ पे, तो वहाँ के जो क्लर्क और क्या नाम बाबू लोग होते हैं, तो अपना काम करवाने के लिए उनको हम कुछ जो है पैसे क्या नाम देते हैं कि हमारा काम जल्दी हो जाए, या फिर ये इलीगल है तो मतलब हो जाए हमारा काम। तो कहीं न कहीं हम लोग भी इसमें एक अहम रोल अदा करते हैं करप्शन को बढ़ाने में। और ब्यूरोक्रेसी में कुछ ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जो इलीगल कार्यों के खिलाफ होते हैं, और उनको मतलब जो उनके हायर पोस्ट वाले होते हैं, वो उनको टॉर्चर भी करते हैं। उनको क्या नाम है कि मतलब इलीगल कार्यों में संलिप्त होना भी मतलब क्या नाम कि दिखा देते हैं। और मतलब हाँ, और उनका ट्रांसफ़र भी होता रहता है आए दिन। आजकल के क्या नाम न्यूज़ में ऐसी चर्चाएँ मतलब होती रहती हैं। वैसे मैं नाम नहीं ले सकता, क्योंकि मेरी उतनी एक्सेस नहीं है कि मैं अच्छी तरीके से जो है क्या नाम जानकारी इकट्ठा कर पाऊँ। लेकिन ऐसे न्यूज़ जो है खबरों में आया करती हैं। तो ये करप्शन का लेवल होता है। और मैं एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा कि एक इंडेक्स जो है अभी 2021 में जारी हुआ है, ग्लोबल करप्शन परसेप्शन इंडेक्स। तो यही हाँ, इसमें हर कंट्री में यहाँ ये मापा जाता है कि करप्शन लेवल कितना है। उसी हिसाब से उसी हिसाब से उसकी रैंक रखी जाती है। और ये जो इंडेक्स जारी करने का एजेंसी है, उसका नाम है ट्रांसपेरेंसी इंटरनेशनल। और ये जो अभी रैंक जो आई है हाल में, उसमें इंडिया की जो रैंक है वो 86 है आउट ऑफ 180। तो ये कोई मतलब अगर इंडिया में देखा जाए करप्शन, तो मतलब इस का नाम के लिहाज से देखा जाए तो बहुत अच्छा लेवल नहीं है इंडिया का। और हमारे देश में करप्शन बहुत अच्छे तरीके से फैल चुका है, और यह धीरे-धीरे हमारी कंट्री को खोखला करता जा रहा है। और इससे क्या होता है कि आम लोग और क्या नाम मध्यम वर्ग के लोग और जो क्या नाम कि गरीब लोग हैं, वो इससे बहुत प्रभावित भी होते हैं। और जो ये क्या नाम कि लोक कल्याणकारी जो योजनाएँ होती हैं, उनका लाभ उनको नहीं मतलब क्या नाम मिल पाता है अच्छे तरीके से। जो उनको क्या नाम मिलना चाहिए, जो उनका हक है और उनका अधिकार है। तो ये रही करप्शन के जो मतलब क्या नाम कि नुकसान होते हैं। और कंक्लूजन में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि करप्शन को हटाने के लिए सरकार को कई स्तर पर कार्य करने होंगे और और आम जो मतलब लोग हैं, इनको भी जागरूक होना पड़ेगा इसके लिए और तभी हम धीरे-धीरे इसमें सुधार कर सकते हैं और जी ये मेरा मतलब कंप्लीट हुआ प्रेजेंटेशन। थैंक यू।
बहुत बढ़िया दीपांकर, बहुत बढ़िया।
जी, जी। थैंक यू सर।
Wonderful. ये आपका फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन है, आपने इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह दिया।
जी,
So, Dipankar, you can now turn your screen sharing off.
जी सर कर रहा हूँ। जी
हाँ,
सर।
हो गया
Nice,
हो
very nice. Wonderful. So, guys, do you have any questions for him or Dipankar? Anyone?
हाँ, मैं मेरी साइड से एक क्वेश्चन है सर। तो
जी सर।
दीपांकर, जो आपने जो इंफॉर्मेशन जो गैदर किया है इसका,
जी,
और इसमें से आप मतलब हम में जो पहले इंफॉर्मेशन और मैट्रिक्स वगैरह आपने किया है, बहुत अच्छा है ये। लेकिन
थैंक यू सर।
क्या हम क्या कर सकते हैं उसके लिए? अपने खुद साइड से पहले हम क्या कर सकते हैं? आपका राय अगर है तो बताइए।
जी सर। सर मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जो आम लोग हैं या जैसे हम हैं, आप हैं, तो हम लोगों को जहाँ पे मतलब क्या नाम देखा जाए जहाँ पे करप्शन हो रहा है, वहाँ पे सामने आकर के और ऐसी चीज़ों को क्या नाम रोकना चाहिए और अपने अंदर भी सुधार लाना चाहिए कि कहीं भी जाएँ तो हाँ, जो किसी काम को जब हम करते हैं तो क्या उसका प्रोसीजर है, प्रोसीजर को समझें, फिर उसी हिसाब से अपना जो है काम किया जाए और मतलब जहाँ पर भी ये इलीगल कार्य हो रहे हैं, उसके लिए हमें उनके जो मतलब क्या नाम बॉस हैं या उनके सीनियर हैं, वहाँ पे जो शिकायत भी करनी चाहिए। हम इंडिया के सिटीज़न हैं, तो ये हमारी क्या नाम ज़िम्मेदारी भी बनती है और जी सर।
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल, बहुत अच्छे आपके
जी,
राय है। तो हम सबको
जी,
वही वही काम, मतलब उसमें अगर कर सके तो थोड़ा हम सब मिल के एक
जी।
करप्शन को निकाल सकते हैं।
ख़त्म कर जी सर, जी सर।
Nice, 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 nice. Anyone has any other thing to ask to Dipankar? Any other question? Arun? Arun, you want to ask any question to Dipankar?
Sir, yes, actually, I have one question. When we start, so it's generally human behavior that if we have money, so we can afford a lot of things. So हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम कुछ amount extra देके और अपना काम करवा सकते हैं। तो मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था, क्या कुछ ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे ऐसी कंडीशन आ जाए जहाँ पे हमें एक्स्ट्रा पे करके कुछ लेना पड़े, तो वो सही है या नहीं?
जी सर। जी सर, मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि ऐसी भी सर्विसेज़ अवेलेबल हैं, जैसे हम कोई हॉस्पिटल में क्या नाम जाते हैं ट्रीटमेंट के लिए जो सरकारी छोड़ कर के अगर जो प्राइवेट में जाएँगे, तो वहाँ पे ऐसी फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल है। जी, तो जहाँ पे मतलब फैसिलिटी है, वहाँ पे आप क्या नाम ज़रूर लें, अगर आपके पास पैसे हैं, तो आप क्या नाम ले सकते हैं, तो वहाँ पे कोई वो नहीं है। जी।
बहुत बढ़िया दीपांकर।
जी सर।
दीपंकर नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आप दोगे ना तो आप एक पीपीटी में इसको अच्छी तरह से बनाना इसको, ठीक है?
जी सर,
पावर पॉइंट में इसको बना के देना, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट टाइम सिंस आपका
जी सर, जी सर,
फर्स्ट
जी सर,
प्रेजेंटेशन है तो इट्स ओके, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट टाइम बट आपने इसको आज आपने इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह आपने दिया इसको।
जी सर, थैंक यू सर, जी।
So guys, now let's move to Shalom Goyal now. Next, Shalom, you can share your the screen. Yeah.
Well, thank you, Nikhil. Okay. I hope my screen is visible to you
Yeah.
guys.
So this topic is Indian brain drain, matter of pride or introspection. Right, Shalom?
Yes, correct, Nikhil.
Nice topic.
So let's start. You know, my name is Kishara Goyal. So for today presentation, the topic is Indian brain drain. Is it the matter of pride or introspection, and how clear it, or how clear is it? So if I can say around 17.5 million people, 17.5 million Indians are spread around the world. Those are NRIs, and most of those NRIs are not are non-returning Indians. So brain drain is happening, and even the reverse brain drain has stopped. So we might need to explore the reason why is it happening. Uh, I'm quite sure you know these famous personalities. So Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, Indra Nooyi, CEO of PepsiCo, Rajiv Surin, Paras Agarwal, new person, CEO of Twitter, Shantanu Narayan, CEO of Adobe. So these are just few person who are Indians and who are holding top position in some very big renowned companies. And one new guy has also added here, Ajaz Patel. So some days ago only I have added his picture. So this is also a kind of brain drain. We are not able to keep our Indians, our brothers, sister in India, and we see what can they do. So I want to ask you, according to you, what could be the reason of Indian brain drain? Any a wild guess or anything you want to share? What is the reason of brain drain that is happening in India? Nikhil, Dipankar, Arun, Srinivas, Bharat. What is the reason?
Well, I think it's become a common mentality of Indians. You know, we have to go somewhere else. But being born here, like we are like we want to do like something for other countries, right? So it's just like happen very commonly, I think, because we always feel that since we are like, in India, we are not getting enough what we want, and but actually we want to give more to our own country. But this thing is like it's become constant mentality of Indians that we have to go somewhere else to apna और नाम बढ़ेगा, we'll get more money and all this things. That's what I feel.
Okay, great.
That's what I'm thinking. It's always become a kind
Yeah.
of mentality, you know. Right from our
Correct.
college days, you know, like our parents also, you know, they keep pushing us कि यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. They want to put extra pressure on us, you know, like right from our childhood, you know, कि अपना dream है यहाँ पे जाना है, to go to other countries तो अच्छा रहेगा, all these things.
Yes. Correct. Actually, on status all of us would have that uncle or aunt who is living in the US, UK, Canada, and we see them. Okay, they are living in there, and they are living a very good life. This okay, live life in the Western countries. Their freedom, high quality of life, pollution free. Actually, we can see it as a badge of honor. It's a feather in the cap. So अब 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 हमने एक अपनी इमेज बना ली है, यस, वी वांट टू गो देयर एंड we'll go. So we'll find any reason. It maybe some says in the name of unemployment, in the name of freedom of speech, in the name of quality of life, in the name of gender neutrality. There are many reasons, but ठीक है, cool. So let's move to the next thing. So actually it's not only limited to the graduate or educated Indians who are looking to who wants to go abroad. It's about every person, whether he's living in the village, he's illiterate. Everyone wants to go out of India. So most of us wants to go in some Western country, and some of us never wants to come back here. So going is not an issue if someone goes for education and someone goes for a job for a few years or months. But the reverse problem is non-returning Indians. That is reverse brain drain has stopped. So educated Indians are going with their luggage. So in this image, you can see a brain is going with some suitcase. So actually, as I have asked you, what's the possible reasons? Okay, so this study I have got from internet. Some says that we want to go because I love working there, and some of them even don't know the reason why they're living in the abroad and why they want to go abroad. Some say that here the salary is low, some say that there's high quality of life, accommodation. Means everyone has different reasons, but everyone wants to leave India. If I can say, it is not, it's like not only a problem of India. Actually, it's a problem of every country who has low income. You can see in this image, the people who are living in the high income countries, there's very less brain drain, very less people who are going abroad. But when it comes to lower middle or lower income countries, a lot of people are leaving their country. So I think wage is the main reason, because if you have high income, you automatically have high quality of life, standard life, which everyone dreams of. I'm not saying that it's wrong. When the reverse brain drain starts, then the problem arises. So some say for the job, some say for the security. There are multiple reasons, and India is so like a tree. uh, we means India prospers to them, and some develop country show some money, and कि जैसे कोई फल टूट के जा रहा है कि वैसे की जा रहे हैं. So okay, that's cool. But what's the India is losing? what's the disadvantage of India? Actually, when good people who had potential, good potential leaves India from any region, we have less tax revenue, so country earns less, and the decline in competitiveness, less potential entrepreneurship, and when highly skilled workers leave India, it leaves behind low skilled work, which automatically declines the efficiency. So, which in a whole results in a reduced confidence in the economy and more lower growth. So, how can we stop it? What is the reason? So, before finding the reason, do we think it's a matter of pride, or should we introspect that India is giving some very high intellectual people to the whole world? So, it's a matter of pride, or should we introspect ourselves? What do you think? I think it's a matter of pride. What do you think?
I think we should introspect. For me, I think we should
Okay.
because we need to like see like what is the exact problem, why they are leaving. We need to like bring those changes. What I feel that changes we need to bring in India itself, so that Indians can stay here and they can do everything.
Okay. Okay. So you believe in India and you think that this branding, this branding should be stopped, and we need to keep our India. We need to keep our Indians in India itself. Okay, cool. So anyone? Arun, Dipankar, Srinivas, Varad, what's your thoughts on this?
Guys, bolo Dipankar, Arun.
Okay, I also think that we should keep the Indians in India because they are migrating to the other countries and earning in dollars. But it's okay to earn rupees also. But it's important to stay in country. And if you are going to other countries, but only taking the knowledge and coming back to India is more important. Not like just being over there and settling over there. I think so. It's not good. Like, be Indian
Okay,
should be in India only. In my,
okay, okay. Then how can we stop it? How can we stop brain drain?
so, in my perspective, they should find a exact solution on it. Because firstly they should focus on the youth of the country because they are the most important because in upcoming days they will be graduated and after that they will find a job and if they don't get a job they will find a brokerage firm who will send them to the other countries. So first, they should focus on the youth of the country. What
Okay.
is the
So
exact
you think
reason? They
unemployment is
should
the main reason?
form a committee. Serious. Yes,
Okay.
not only
Unemployment
unemployment.
is the main
There
reason.
must be
Okay.
a many reasons. Unemployment. Yeah, yes, you can say it's an important reason. It may be.
Okay. So if to get a chance to go to abroad, would you accept it? Would you go? And for how long?
I will accept it for 10 years.
Okay, 10 years. Good. ठीक है. ठीक है तो ठीक है. Yes, actually it depends on person to person. It depends on individual whether he thinks that it's a matter of pride or introspection. Actually, on the Twitter last week and this week only, I am seeing a lot of people praising the Paras Agarwal, means as he got the new position of the CEO of the Twitter, and many things that it's a matter of pride. And some say that it's wrong because Paras couldn't got a good opportunity in India, so that's why he has to move to US for a better opportunity. Okay, so it depends on individual to individual, but I think yes, sure, we should introspect ourselves. We should provide a better what's the need of Indian. We should provide that. And I'm not just saying that brain drain is bad. Uh, Now world is open and whole world is our home. But as a national means as a Indian, I think that we should come back to our motherland after few years. Reverse brain drain should be happen. It shouldn't be like that non-returning Indians. So, how can we stop it? And what's the government step in reducing the brain drain?
जी सर.
Okay, so can I share my views, please?
Yes, sure,
Yes.
sure.
Yeah, so what I feel from government side, as a country, say India, we should actually provide the facilities. So, for instance, if somebody wants to do whatever he is going to do, an R&D thing, if they feel that those R&D facilities are not available in India, they are actually many people. What I heard, they are going abroad for multiple reasons. One of the reason is the facilities. If they want to do any R&D or research, that's enough facilities are not available, and then they are earning more. I mean, if somebody wants to earn more, what he wants to, well, what he is not going to, I mean, get here in India. If he wants to earn more, that is one of the reason. And the education also. They see, for instance, in India, we have so many things, but we actually have also the reservation here. Some people may not feel the reservation is appropriate, and then if you go abroad, those reservation constraints won't be there, and everybody whoever is capable, they actually get at it. So I think these are the multiple reasons what they feel why they are going abroad, and which we call it as brain drain. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Srinivas. Yes,
जी सर.
unemployment,
जी.
reservation, and there are multiple reasons why people think that they should go abroad. So, actually, the government is working on the skill set, on the employment part. We all know India is high population country, and there's very high competition. And if we have to meet the international standard, if we have to meet the quality, then the manpower should be skilled. So Indian government is trying to plug a brain drain. So they are under the National Skill Development Mission. Government is aiming to uh, skill 400 million people of the country by 2022. So around 40 crore people, according to Indian the government would be skilled under the NSDM scheme. So this thing the government is trying to skill Indians, but I think this won't be enough to stop the movement. This won't be enough because unemployment is not only one reason why people are going. Okay, so there are a lot of questions we need to ask ourselves as a country. The question about quality of life, employment opportunities, social structure, as you have mentioned, financial and social security, gender equality, development, freedom in all walks of life. So and even if one misses, what means means someone can say that okay, I am going to get this reason is okay. So as a country, we need to fulfill all the desired criteria what a person thinks. So what could be the probable reason? So we can stop a brain drain completely, but at least we can do our level best as a country to provide enough opportunities to improve our social structure, to improve our security, to improve our gender equality, so that brain drain could be minimized. Thank you.
Wonderful, yeah. The topic and the
थैंक यू
way you
सालो
explained,
भाई,
right?
बहुत अच्छा।
Hats off, yeah.
जी
So, chalo, my like actually what I think is that people like आजकल जो लोग करते हैं that they are born in India, then they go to abroad and then after when they are more than 60 years old they come back to India. So आजकल बहुत लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं ना, ट्रेंड यही चालू है, you know, और maybe their ग्रैंडचिल्ड्रन होने के बाद वो लोग आ जाते हैं इंडिया में, यहाँ पे तो आराम करना है, फिर वहाँ पे उन लोग का किड्स है, फिर ऐसा हो जाता है कि उन लोग का जब kids grow old and they come back to India 60 years के बाद आ जाते हैं वापस। पूरा जो उनका लाइफ है, कॉलेज, एजुकेशन, एवरीथिंग they were there only, एजुकेशन लाइफ, कॉलेज लाइफ, पूरा जॉब वॉब सब करने के बाद आराम करने के लिए यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं। आजकल ऐसे बहुत लोग गाँव में जाते हैं। ट्रेंड यही
Yes, and some goes on educational on the basis of IELTS, and they find a job there and settles there. So people are just trying to find reasons to go abroad or to earn money, and some of them even come back, but उन्होंने अपने जीवन का अच्छा खासा हिस्सा मतलब वहां पे बिता के आते हैं, तो यहाँ पे उनको कुछ चीजें पसंद भी नहीं आती, ऐसे मैं जानता अपने आप थोड़ा।
Yeah, but yeah, I think one more thing also what we need to consider here is, see, now when they go abroad, they are bringing money to India also. For instance, the people who buy here the land, and some of the startups also are actually being led by the NRIs, right? So they are pumping in money also to India, and indirectly they are contributing to grow the economy as well here. So this is what one of the other advantage. I mean, what we actually have. Also, I mean, hope everybody agree with this.
Yes.
जी 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 बिल्कुल।
So if anyone has any question they can ask, or anyone wants to share anything on the topic.
Guys, do you want to ask anything to our Shalom? I think Shalom, your topic was so nice, you know, because आजकल यही हो रहा है, you know, this thing, and I think in the near future now we should take some steps to stop, you know. At least मैंने बोला मतलब अब अभी का भी stop हो जाएगा. At least we should take some steps, you know. At least थोड़ा हम लोग रोक सकते हैं. बहुत तो जाएंगे. At least थोड़ा हम लोग रोक सकते हैं. At least कुछ तो यहाँ यहीं पे कुछ करके हम लोग, so we can stop this. I don't know, but it will take how much time, but government will do something. At least in the near future, at least. That's what we all hope.
Actually, it is not for everyone, and I know many person who wants to stay in India, even if they get low package than the other countries. So if I can talk about my example, I would prefer to stay in India only. So because because uh, means I want to go there for a week or for a month for travel and to see the beauty, but uh, at the end जैसे कहते हैं ना, सुबह का भोला के शाम को वापस आ जाए तो उसको भोला नहीं कहते. So after few weeks or month, I want to come back to my home only, to India.
But Shalom, if supposing you work in an MNC, ठीक है, and समझो कि वहाँ पे कोई client है, ठीक है, in abroad, and उन लोग चाहते हैं कि like तुम ही जाओ वहाँ पे and work for, you know, few months or something. So will you go?
Yeah, for a few months I will go. Actually, I will enjoy. I would love to go. But if they ask me to permanently settle there or work there for a few years, means I don't think that I would be able to accept that.
Yeah, even I also feel, because I went multiple times to abroad, say Europe and US and Middle East also. I felt okay for some time, maybe a couple of years or few years, it's fine. But still, I actually want to experience and see the places and travel there, and enjoy the beauty there, and the infrastructure what they actually have built over a period of time, right? So I actually enjoyed all those things, but still I never felt that I need to. I mean, I can settle there permanently and go for green card and all, right? So I never felt so. Whenever I am back to India, I feel at home, and I never felt, though I have seen all those places, and it's just a temporary enjoyment, but not like it did not give anywhere. It did not give what I feel in India as my home country and my people here, right? So I never felt the same. So this is what I feel.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
nice topic, Shalom, and nice questions and nice comments everyone passed today. It was amazing, Shalom. So हम लोग, you know, हम लोग सब लोग at least जैसे we can think on ourselves, you know, कि मतलब इसको कैसे हम लोग रुकेंगे या फिर इसको कैसे हम लोग इंडिया में रह के we can do other things. Thank you, Shalom. Thank you so much. Wonderful. Again, hats off and
Yeah.
beyond of applause, Shalom. Thank you, Shalom. So next, let's move to Barad Guru. Barad, the topic is water pollution, right?
Yes, yes.
Water pollution. Okay, Barad, you can share your screen. Pretty said.
Wait for a second.
Yeah, sure.
I'm not understanding how to share it. Like, I'm not getting.
Okay, so now go to the a green button, uh, screen share. Once you click there, it will give
Okay,
you the options what you want to share, right? Whether it is a window or I
okay,
mean the whole
okay,
desktop and all. Yeah.
okay.
Do you have any
Thank you.
presentation? Yeah, I think it is coming up now.
Yeah, yes. I
Yeah,
have a presentation.
Yes.
yeah,
Now we can
yeah.
Uh,
see.
We are able to see
it's
now.
like visible.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's
Yes.
visible now.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, okay. So the topic of my presentation is water pollution. It's very simple topic and it's not an interesting topic, but for the nature, for the world, for the planet, it's very important and serious because without water, it's up to impossible to lead a life because mostly for the living organism it's up to impossible for a 1 hour half an hour you can stay but more than that it's up to impossible. So I will start with my water pollution is a of the water usually as a means it's a so the water bodies from the lake means mainly it has been like contaminated by the human waste also of from the factories also and it's resulting to the into the national means a reverse water and all. So you can say okay. And second one is the cause of the water pollution. So there are many causes of the water pollution. Mainly the main source of the water pollution causes are like domestic waste is there, agriculture waste is there. Agriculture waste means like pesticides and all, fertilizers, and also urbanization is there, bacteria or spreading to the pollutant. Like also the human waste is an important thing. Like if you go into the villages and all, they just wash the vessels and many other things in the river only. So it's an important thing, and it's you can say important and the major cause. So I will just there are many ways of the water pollution. So mainly, first one is what groundwater pollution. Second one is surface water pollution, and third one is ocean water pollution. Uh, so okay. So anybody knows what meant by the groundwater pollution? Anyone have any idea what is meant by that?
Yeah.
Anyone is there who knows
Yeah.
what
I
is
can.
meant by groundwater pollution?
Yes. Yeah. So what uh, as per my understanding, under the soil, I mean under the land, there'll be water channels where when the rainwater and all comes, the water percolates into the under soil under the land, and there'll be water channels. So if the from the factories and other places, I mean other sources, if we if we bury them all the contaminated things into the soil or land, then slowly it actually gets into the under land, I mean water channels also. And it when we put bore water, I mean when we put bores to pull water out, it will be contaminated. So this is what my understanding is.
Yes, yes, you're absolutely right. I also don't have that much knowledge about it. Just a
Okay.
basic knowledge I have. Means like mainly the waste which has been like sent into the ground and all. There will be one impervious layer. So where like the water which stands on the ground, it slowly go inside because of the cracks and all, and it start to get stored over there. So mainly it is that. So I will is a surface water. Surface is very easy, like you can say industrial water pollution, industrial huge source of water pollution. It produces pollution extremely very much which are very much harmful, and it can directly affect the it's a surface water, because many people go on the beaches and affect their skin and all. Okay. So next one is ocean water. So ocean water mainly means water means marine pollution is a combination of chemical and mostly which comes from shores and blows into the ocean. The pollution is result in the environment, and it means mainly it harms to the fishes and all, and through the fishes or it can also come to a human being, because many people eat the aquatic animals like fishes and all. There are many. So it is also a serious issue. Okay, so I want to ask everyone a question. So please, like everyone can tell me two steps in their general opinion that how they can take a step to stop the air pollution. And like everyone try to tell the two steps, like please, like
Yeah. So, Parag, in my opinion, like one step was the way. I don't want to go into politics, but the way Arvind Kejriwal had done in Delhi, so he did one like a nice step, where he was allowing odd number car on one day and even number cars and all, on another day. So it was a nice step, so in a way we can reduce uh, traffic a lot, in the entire country. So I think all the political parties should follow this step. So what I feel, one step, the way we can control air pollution.
yes, yes,
This is another step which
Okay.
I really liked a lot.
Okay. Yeah.
okay.
So I have 2 points, Bharat. So we can, I mean, we will try to avoid, I mean, try to use public transport where how much you can use, and try to avoid your own vehicles, whether you commute to office, and try to see that you actually switch to bicycles and electric vehicles, so that you can actually minimize the pollution as an individual, and try stopping the littering of the common places, right? I mean, and I would say that smoking also, if you can stop smoking, so that is as an individual where you can contribute the air pollution. This is what I feel, Bharat.
Okay, I'm extremely sorry. I said air pollution or what? I'm sorry. Like the
Yeah, you
topic
said
is
air pollution,
water
so
pollution. So I said air pollution.
okay. Yeah,
I'm
air
extremely
pollution.
sorry. I didn't got it. I got a bit nervous. I'm so sorry for
uh,
that. I'm sorry.
no
I'm sorry.
problem,
Sorry.
Bharat.
So
It's
I
fine.
was
It's
also
fine because
shocked why they are. Okay, I got little bit nervous,
No
and
issue,
I
Parag.
totally said like
don't
switch
worry
my
at all,
topic.
man. I mean,
So
it's fine
like
because even air pollution is also one of the pollution factor, right? So it's
Yes.
not completely away
Yes.
from the topic, which is actually fine. So you want to talk more about
But I'm extremely
the
sorry.
surface water pollution? Is that you're saying?
Oh no, like that is complete like I'm sorry. So the like I will ask one more question, that two steps
Okay.
for air water pollution. I'm sorry. So like
That's the
everyone,
water pollution.
please.
जी 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 जी
Extremely sorry. I'm extremely sorry.
No, no,
No,
no, it's absolutely okay, Bharat. Keeps it. So we know that we have so much pollution, in our country, So I think this is also one of the reasons for brain drain, which Shalom explained it. ये भी एक point है, है ना
जी
Shalom?
yeah.
Brain drain
Yes, yes,
ये भी एक reason है. लोग भाग रहे बोलते हैं
yes,
यहाँ पे बहुत
Nikhil.
pollution है, प्रदूषण बहुत है, ये भी
बिल्कुल.
reasons है.
I agree fully. So, water pollution, surface water pollution, how we can avoid, my 2 points, and then others can actually take it. So, first thing is we should, I mean, try to stop the polluting the lakes and rivers by mixing the industrial waste. The industrial waste, I think I have seen in many places, they are directly pumping them into the rivers and lakes. This is one thing what I would say, and also minimize the using of plastic. So plastic waste also wherever because I travel a lot and I see that wherever I go, all the plastic bottles and the plastic covers and all are I
Mhm.
see them floating on the water. So these two things, if we can from our side, we can minimize the water pollution. Can be minimized to a large extent. This is what I feel.
Mm. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone have
So
any
जी
like
yeah,
जी सर
I'll go with it. So first point is any non-recyclable item like Srinivasa has said plastic and smoke bird, anything which is non-recyclable or who takes to recycle more than a few years. I think we need to stop dumping of those
mm,
things in the water. It could be a mask, anything made of plastic, or a smoke bird, or any leather, which takes more than a few years. And the second is on your previous question of the air pollution. We need to reduce air pollution to reduce the water pollution. How? All the pollutants are in the air. Means if air is polluted when the rain happens. So all the waters from the
mm,
rain will come down on the surface of earth. By the process of rain, air pollution would be reduced. But what about the water pollution? All the pollutants slowly will get enter in the soil, and then from the soil it will get enter in the groundwater. And if the rain falls
mm,
directly on the any surface water like river, ocean, it will directly infect the water. Okay, so we need to reduce the air the pollution, and we need to reduce the any non biodegradable or non recyclable items. Thank you.
yes. Like best point on the two topics. Nah, thank you. Anyone else who wants to give like you can say advice to reduce sorry pollution?
जी जी
So
जी
So the
दीपांकर आपको बोलना है, दीपांकर
जी 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 जी
बोलिए
जी मैं कुछ बोलना चाहूँगा
बोलिए.
एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट fluent in English,
नहीं आप
so I want to
हिंदी
speak in Hindi.
नहीं नहीं
जी जी
हिंदी
जी
हिंदी में बता
जी
सकते हो।
जी हाँ, जैसे अभी आपने बताया ओशियन, हाँ, ओशियन वाटर पोल्यूशन। ओशियन वाटर पोल्यूशन ये मतलब एक मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट है, मतलब जहाँ जहाँ तक हमें पता है। एक्चुअली ओशियन में पाया जाता है कोरल, कोरल रीफ पाया जाता है, कोरल रीफ। जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पास में वर्ल्ड की सबसे लार्जेस्ट कोरल रीफ है, जो कि मतलब कहना दुनिया में फेमस है। तो जब ये ओशियन पोल्यूशन से वो कोरल रीफ अब कहना धीरे धीरे वो ख़त्म हो रही है। एक्चुअली जब ये जो कोरल्स होते हैं इनके लिए एक फिक्स्ड टेम्परेचर एंड मतलब क्लीन कहना वाटर चाहिए होता है। अगर जो है मतलब पोल्यूशन होता है तो ये वहाँ से हटने लगते हैं, और जो वो कहना रीफ जो होती है वो भी मतलब धीरे धीरे ख़त्म हो जाती है। और एक्चुअली इसी से जो छोटे छोटे आइलैंड क्या नाम बनते हैं, तो ये कोरल रीफ से ही मतलब कहना बहुत सारे आइलैंड का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है, और मतलब वहाँ पे लोग कहना रहते भी हैं। तो ये चीज़ें इम्पोर्टेंट थी। तो हमें, हाँ, और ये चीज़ें जो हो रही हैं, पोल्यूशन हो रहा है, तो जैसे आपने बताया कि कंपनी का क्या नाम वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है वो वहाँ पे छोड़ा जाता है, प्लास्टिक पोल्यूशन है। तो ये सब क्या नाम मेजर फैक्टर हैं उसके लिए, और इसको हमें कम करना चाहिए। जी, थैंक यू।
ओके, थैंक यू दीपांकर जी, आपने मुझे थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज दिया इसके बाद। सो I will go with the next, like you can say, slide, and the slide is point source and non-point source. Okay, so means like you can say, uh, point source is a pollution where, like you can say, harmful chemicals are being produced into the river, like you can say industries and all, industrial waste and all. And mainly a non-point source are which, like you can say, the these are the other source. Like I will just read it. Non-source pollution include the excessive fertilizers and all. Means agriculture, it's not that harmful as compared to the point source. So my question to you all is like, anyone can give me like two examples on point source and non-point source? Which kind of, like, one mainly what are the examples for the point source and non-point source? Anyone is there? Okay then. So like mainly point source, so source are the you can say example means you can say industrial waste and chemicals and all, which are directly been sent into the river. And you can see point will come fertilizers and all. It is not that much harmful as compared to the point source. So next one is sewage and the waste. And sewage also is an important, you can say, thing, like it's an important aspect in water pollution, because it contains the domestic waste, industrial waste. It include all kind of waste like industrial and agriculture. And in India, the sewage is not been properly maintained. And because of the sewage, many people are also like you can say that people like many people go into the sewage with not proper protection and all. Because of that, there have been like many you can say worker are been harmful because of the sewage. And it's very important issue in India because it's not properly. Because you can see nowadays like because if there is much amount of rain for my place, especially like in the month of June and July in 2019-22, the drainage system was not good, like the sewage system was not good. So totally like it was the flood like situation. My place is also not located near to the sea, but also it was like flood like situation. The water was straightly going into the houses. So mainly in my like you can say in my point of view, the government should more focus on the sewage and the waste system, because drainage pipelines and all. So in my perspective, so next one is agriculture water pollution, and it is also most important thing, because nowadays mostly like many farmers are been depending on the agriculture. Like you can say 70 like I don't know exact what is the percentage of the agriculture people are depending. But nowadays many farmers are growing their uh, uh, crops through the chemical, you can say pesticides and all, which is like minimum use is okay, but if they are using it very heavily, so it's very harmful, and they don't know how to dispose it properly, and it is directly sent into the water. And it's very dangerous, because India in whole world, in India mainly, the like 60 to 70% people are depending on the agriculture. So my, you can say last you so my just okay. So what are the effects of the water pollution? So effects means normally on the human health, you can find like many kind of disease, skin disease, and many kind of like disease like cholera, typhoid and all. Many kind of like you can see kidney problem, and mostly in kidney problem means you can find kidney stones and many other things, because of the kidney stones have been mainly happened because of the heavy content of elements in the water. So it's very so mainly these kind of disease are been like been produced if you don't if there is water pollution. So my next like you can say last one is what do you, like what you can do to prevent the water pollution. Firstly, I mentioned everyone have told some of the top like you can say points over this. So I will not like speak more on this, because it's like uh, you can say don't pour the more into the storm drain. You can say wash your car outer door equipments where it can flow where it can to the I can't see. So so that's all. You can try at your home, like not to do this kind of things at your home, because it's very important issue, and individual should show some you can say seriousness on this topic. So thank you. With this I conclude. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful, Raj, wonderful, wonderful. Super presentation. Excellent. Very, very nice. Man. Very, you did it in a very innovative way, you know, and you brought so many
Thank you.
like, new things in this presentation. So awesome, man. So Raj, like, means I want to take, ask you a few things. Like,
Thank you.
how do you, you know, how do you follow water pollution at your own house, what steps you take at your own house to prevent water pollution?
Okay. Okay. So mainly, like person, I have never focused on this topic. Means like, am I audible?
But your voice is not that audible. You can do one thing. You can, if you want, you can off your video and speak, and you can you can stop your this thing also. Screen sharing also you can stop. Yeah, and then you can speak. Bharat, are you there? I think he has left the meeting. फिर से करेगा, ज्वाइन करेंगे. चलो, आपको क्या कहना है इस about this topic? Means how do you follow it? With like for example, if you're in your like own house, we like do these things. कि हम लोग ये देखते हैं कि मतलब कोई भी टैप ओपन नहीं है, या फिर we don't waste water. वो बहुत important है. First start from your house. बोलते हैं ना कि घर से पहले इसकी शुरुआत करो घर से, कि एक फर्स्ट ऑफ योर टैप बराबर से बंद करो. कुछ अगर पानी वेस्ट हो रहा है, इवन योर बिल्डिंग आल्सो, अगर कुछ अगर पाइप कुछ खराब है या फिर कुछ लीकेज हो रहा है, देन इमीडिएटली रिपेयर इट एंड लाइक ऑल दिस थिंग्स, है ना. ये भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
ये कि जैसे कि बर्तन के धोए जा रहे हैं, तो उस वक्त अगर वाटर की कंटिन्यूस की जरूरत नहीं है तो टैप को भी बंद कर दो. और वन एग्जांपल की आरओ कि जैसे वो हो गए, तो उसमें से हमेशा पानी बहता ही रहता है कि थोड़ा थोड़ा, तो उस वाटर को यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं कि अदरवाइज वो ड्रेन होता रहता है, मतलब आगे ड्रेनेज में चला के जाता है. तो उस वाटर को वी कैन यूटिलाइज फॉर गार्डनिंग और फॉर vehicle washing, cloth washing, so we can utilize that. तो ये छोटे छोटे के तरीके करके we can save water and even we can recycle it. जैसे मैंने आरओ का एग्जांपल है, तो बट नॉर्मली बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान के देते हैं कि नहीं है. मैंने एग्जांपल तो बताए, बट नॉर्मली मैं भी अपने लाइफ में कि जब वाटर क्राइसिस ना आए, ये पता है कि वाटर आ रहा है तो इतना ज्यादा थोड़ा इग्नोर करते, बट वी नीड टू बी मोर अवेयर. वी नीड टू स्टॉप वाटर वेस्टेज.
करेक्ट है, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बात है. ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हम लोग को वो जागरूकता रहे इसके लिए. ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. जागरूक होकर जियो. एटलीस्ट डोंट वेस्ट वाटर एट योर ओन हाउस. पहले वो अपना ध्यान दो. एंड ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हम लोग जो गाड़ियां जो धो रहे हैं, उससे भी शुड नॉट वेस्ट वाटर लॉट. पूरा उसको ये करते रहो. You should use the same water for same bucket of water for all the cars and everything. जितने भी कार है, बिल्डिंग सोसाइटी में कार है या फिर जो भी है, बाइक है, should use the same water. Don't waste water कि मतलब एक पूरा बकेट ले लो, एक कार डाल दो. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. ये सब भी है, छोटे चीजें हैं बहुत, बट उसका बहुत महत्व है. दीपंकर, आपको कुछ कहना है? दीपंकर, इसके बारे में, आपके बारे में, आप कैसे इसको ये करते हो, फॉलो करते हो आपके घर में या फिर?
जी सर, फर्स्टली तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि भारत जी ने एक मतलब क्या नाम की जो है मतलब वो बताया था, आंकड़ा बताया था कि हाउ मेनी पर्सन डिपेंड ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. तो ये एग्जैक्ट जो है ये है 55% जो हमारे पॉपुलेशन है वो एग्रीकल्चर पे है इंडिया में. और माय फादर इज आल्सो अ फार्मर। तो अगर हम जो एग्रीकल्चर में फर्टिलाइजर्स और केमिकल्स का यूज करते हैं, अगर हम इनका यूज ना करेंगे तो वो जो मतलब क्या नाम क्रॉप है, तो ये प्रोडक्शन हो नहीं पाएगा। तो अगर हो नहीं पाएगा तो फिर आगे का खाने का या फिर जो है और चीज़ें कैसे हो पाएंगी। जी सर, तो इस पे मैं आप लोगों के थोड़े मतलब विचार जानना चाहूँगा।
बिल्कुल 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 सर, एकदम सही कहा आपने। मतलब जो एग्रीकल्चर जो है वो एकदम इम्पोर्टेंट है, बिना उसके तो मतलब होगा ही नहीं। बट जो भी फार्मिंग के लिए भी ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि लोग जो फार्मिंग करते हैं उसके लिए भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि ये लोग जो जो भी स्टेप्स है उसको ठीक से फॉलो करें, उसको एकदम ठीक से। एंड जो अपना जो पानी मिलता है उसको बचा के रखें, उसी पानी को। और उसी पानी को जैसे बाकी लोगों ने भी कहा, उसको रिसाइकिल करें और उसको ही यूज करें।
जी 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 जी
ये मेरा कहना है।
जी जी, थैंक यू जी। और क्या नाम वाटर, हाँ वाटर सेव के लिए जैसे मैं जो है लखनऊ में अभी क्या नाम रहता हूँ। तो हमारे सामने जो एक मतलब क्या घर है, वहाँ पे वो अपनी क्या नाम गाड़ी जब साफ करते हैं जो है पानी से, तो हाँ जो है हाँ जो हाँ उनके सामने हाँ एक मंदिर है। तो मंदिर में क्या होता है कि हाँ हाँ वो लगा समरसेबल लगा हुआ है। तो समरसेबल में जो है पानी हमेशा आता है। भाई साहब जो है मतलब ऑन कर देंगे और करीब 1 घंटे तक ऐसे ही जो है चलाते रहेंगे। तो हाँ ये चीज़ें मतलब सही नहीं है। और हमने भी मतलब देखा तो ये तो सही नहीं लग रहा था कि मतलब ये जो है क्या नाम वाटर को मतलब क्या नाम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, अच्छी बात नहीं है। बट हम लोग की बातें भी नहीं सुन रहे हैं वो लोग। हम लोगों ने एक बार जो है ट्राई भी किया था कि भैया जब आपको क्या नाम यूज हो तभी मतलब जो समरसेबल ऑन कीजिए और ऐसे ऐसे मतलब क्या नाम वाटर वेस्ट ना करें। तो कोई ध्यान नहीं देते हैं। बट हमने कह दिया था हम लोगों ने एक बार जा करके, हम थे हमारा एक फ्रेंड था जो पूछा गया था। तो लोग करते हैं क्योंकि अभी उनको क्राइसिस उनके सामने आई नहीं है, तो यूज करते हैं। जी, लेकिन होना नहीं चाहिए।
ऐसे ही हो रहा है।
जी
I think he's back. Bharat is back. Bharat is back. It's completely fine.
जी
Few more minutes and then we'll stop. Few more minutes.
जी 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 जी
Bharat has joined. issue हुआ था, इंटरनेट इशू हुआ था। Yeah, Bharat, you're back. Yeah, Bharat.
Extremely sorry, like it was not
It's
getting
okay. It's
connected.
okay. It's okay.
Okay,
It's
okay.
okay.
So like
So we just had a small discussion. That don't waste water at your own house. You should keep. First of all, you should just check. In your house if all taps are open or not. And then we
yes.
spoke about how to use it in the vehicles. Then we spoke about agriculture and all, how to use water. So
Yes,
your
yes.
topic was really excellent. Excellent.
Thank you, thank you.
It also was amazing.
Yes, sir. And I'm like, firstly, I'm sorry. Like, I left the meeting like in middle only. So like, and thank you for continuing. Like my topic.
So I give a
Thank
small
you.
feedback to you, Dipankar and Shadow, all three of you. And then I think we can give a feedback session. You can just keep, just for the conversation of feedback. It's an informal session of feedback. First, I'll go to Dipankar. दीपांकर, आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह दिया आज का प्रेजेंटेशन आपका। तो क्या टॉपिक बहुत अच्छा था, टॉपिक आपका टॉपिक पे अच्छा था। आपने जो जिस प्रकार से दिया अबाउट ब्यूरोक्रेसी, आपने जो भी चीजें बताई वो बहुत अच्छी तरह था, अच्छा था। आपने since आपका ये अपने फर्स्ट टाइम दिया आपने प्रेजेंटेशन दिया आपने, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम ये ध्यान रखिए कि आप यू मेक अ गुड स्लाइड, जैसे बाकी लोगों ने जैसे बनाया है ना, वैसे आप भी बनाइए, अच्छा स्लाइड बना के आप ये कीजिए नेक्स्ट टाइम, कीजिए प्रेजेंटेशन, ठीक है।
थैंक यू सर। जी क्या नाम, नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं मतलब बना लूंगा पीपीटी। जी
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल। About
जी
Shallow, your presentation was amazing, simply amazing, and the way you explained so many things, in different pictures, the way you drew all this thing, pictures, graph, bar chart, and everything, to explain things, that made it, very easy for us, with those things. Hello, are you there, Shallow? Shallow, we can't see you. Issue on your side. I think Shallow शायद ये हो गए, drop हो गए,
जी जी
issue लेना उनके साइड में।
जी
Yeah.
जी जी
Bharat,
सालों लेट हो गए।
As your topic also was so nice, and the way you presented was really amazing, Bharat. Bharat, next time, just I'll give you some small tips. What to do is that just write some points. Don't write the entire paragraph in your presentation. Just make some points, and then you present. So इससे क्या होगा ना? So you can explain things yourself. Rather than seeing it in the slide. So you can make some point-wise presentation. Pictures plus point. You can just make a note of all the important points, instead of writing the whole paragraph.
Okay. From next time, I'll try to do that.
Yes.
Yes.
Otherwise, your
Thank you.
presentation, your topic, and the way you explained, you ask questions to us, that was something amazing. Interactive way. It was a mutual interactive way. Your entire presentation was.
Thank you. And also, I should, I think so. My network is not good, so from next time,
It's fine.
sit like at a good place, because that is also important issue.
Yes. So next time you can just put off your video and speak. That is also okay.
Okay.
Switch off your video and you can speak. Yeah, man.
जी थैंक यू।
Okay, guys, then let's end today's presentation. Thank you, Shallow. Thank you, Dipankar. Thank you, Arad. Thank you to Srinivas and all of us. Ek minute, I think Shallow has joined back. Shallow. Let's give him a small feedback to Shallow also. And then we wind up. Yeah. Shallow, you're joined? Shallow is back.
Yes, I am back.
Okay. So let me give my feedback to Shallow. Shallow, your topic, the way you presented was simply amazing. Means what I really liked is that you drew. Means you were given many pictures, bar graph, charts in your PPT, which made it very easy for us, to understand about this brain drain, and how to stop brain drain, and what is exactly happening, in India and in between other countries, why people are moving and all these things. So and पूरा presentation आपका एकदम अच्छा था, मतलब बहुत अच्छे से आपने किया था presentation बनाया था, बिल्कुल मतलब एकदम ऐसा मस्त था पूरा, it was in a very innovative way था पूरा presentation. Means because of mainly because of the way you presented, and you had presented many images, graphs, and all these things, which made us very easy for us to understand, and connect both. It was something amazing in your entire presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
My
sir.
friend. Others, you want to give any feedback to Shallow, Dipankar, Bharat? तो कुछ कहना है about Shala presentation?
The presentation
जी
was really very much nice. Like I made like one mistake that Nikhil sir told me that I wrote in a paragraph wise, but Salam sir has wrote almost nothing in the paragraph form. Like he was totally explaining through the pictures. By seeing the pictures, he was explaining. So it was really nice. Like I liked it. From next time, I'll try to do like that, and I will well prepared first of all. So it was a really good and fantastic, I can say, a different kind of presentation.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you very much.
जी
Shala, you want to say
तो
something?
जो
हाँ, बोलिए.
जी 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 जो है सालों सर ने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया और जो मतलब क्या नाम वे था इनका बहुत इनोवेटिव था और अच्छा लगा मतलब देख करके और क्या नाम मोटिवेशन भी क्या नाम मिलता है थोड़ा और जो क्या नाम मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन था एक्चुअली मेरा फर्स्ट था हमको पता भी ज़्यादा आइडिया भी नहीं था इसलिए मैंने क्या नाम पीपीटी भी नहीं बना पाई थी और क्या नाम नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं मतलब पीपीटी भी क्या नाम जो है मतलब क्या नाम अच्छे से बना लूँगा और फिर अपना प्रेजेंटेशन डिलीवर करूँगा और सालो जी ने बहुत अच्छे से मतलब किया और अच्छा लगा जी
Nice.
Thank you.
Shala, what do you want to say about Dipankar and Bharat's presentation since you were there?
Okay. Okay. So first I'll go to Bharat. Bharat has a really nice topic, means the topic which relates on the daily basis, water pollution, and he put some interesting facts, and I got really good knowledge from the presentation. But the only thing I can see that as you have also mentioned, a lot of things are written in the paragraph. Maybe subjective written. Maybe it could be form of the object, means one word, one line. It is okay. But अगर सब कुछ ही लिखा है उसके बाद भी अगर क्वेश्चन पुट अप कर रहे होगे सामने वाले के से तो कुछ के सेंस नहीं बनाता वो. तो जैसे मैंने देखा था, you have put up a question, but all the things, all the answers were written there. So then I thought, what's the point of asking a question if you have already shown them the answer? So that thing, other than that, a very good selection of topic, and you have presented it very well. So all the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Next time from I'll not do like that. I will try to improve. Thank you.
And now comes to Dipankar. Dipankar जी की प्रेजेंटेशन की मैंने थोड़ी मिस कर दी थी सेकंड हाफ. मैंने उनका कि फर्स्ट हाफ देखा था तो उनका टॉपिक मुझको काफी इंटरेस्टिंग मुझको के लगा ब्यूरोक्रेसी पे. तो करप्शन इन ब्यूरोक्रेसी, तो उसमें उन्होंने अपने खुद के भी कुछ मतलब वो क्या फेस करते या क्या चीजें की होते हैं, तो काफी सारी की चीजें की जानने को मिली और तो इंटरेस्टिंग था. ये था अगर पीपीटी फॉर्म में होता तो कि और भी मजा आता.
जी 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 बिल्कुल
बिल्कुल. And Dipankar, Shala, आपका presentation बहुत अच्छी तरह था, and you just keep improving, keep making more and more presentations, keep giving presentations, keep practicing, तो इससे क्या होगा ना आप लोग you will improve a lot. So keep giving presentations, keep giving, keep interacting. This is a family, तो आप कभी भी you can just fill the form and you can give the presentation. We have this session every alternate weekends में होता है हम लोग का, तो आप so you can give
जी जी बिल्कुल
later presentations.
थैंक
यू गाइस. Shala, Bharat, Dipankar, विनती करते हैं आपसे, नमस्कार. आपका दिन शुभ मंगल हो आपका दिन आप लोग का दिन.
जी थैंक यू
Good
जी
day.
सर
Happy
सेम टू यू
Sunday. Yeah.
जी
Thank you.
थैंक यू सर
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.